Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to mark as read on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark as read on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and you can mark as read on Telegram which you have not read it on the past. So in order to do that, you can see there are a bunch of messages over here which I have not read. So in order to proceed to mark as read on those Telegram messages, tap and hold on the message which you want mark as read, and when the green tick mark appears at the left side on the profile picture, or three dotted icon will be available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the three dotted icon, and you can see guys the mark as read option is available for us just below the archive. Tap on mark as read, and you can do that to any message which you want mark as read if you have not yet read it on past. So let's tap on the message with this one, and let's tap on the three dotted icon at the top right, and you can see guys there is the mark as read. And with that being done guys, this is how to mark as read on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.